Hi, good afternoon, everybody. We are here at Mangalam University, School of Hospitality and Catering Management. We just wrapped up a great session on wines, and needless to say, it was an excellent session. These students were absolutely wonderful, very enthusiastic, very young, gung-ho. They really wanted to know a lot. The faculties were great as well. We really felt welcomed. They truly capture the essence of hospitality here. KR Mangalam as a university, I think the moment we walked in, it's a sprawling campus with all facilities, excellent infrastructure, and we did our session in a wonderful restaurant, training restaurant, that too was fully equipped. So I think as far as institutes are concerned, as far as universities are concerned, KR Mangalam is certainly right up there amongst the top. And I wish all of you, all the students, all the faculties and the university, best of luck and great job. Thank you.